Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode we're making easy oven baked barbecue chicken, and we're making our own homemade barbecue sauce. Stay tuned. Easy oven baked barbecue chicken coming up. To begin, let's make a marinade. Using a food processor, add in 6 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 red jalapeno pepper, 2 sprigs of scallion, some fresh cilantro, 1 fresh lime juice, and a splash of olive oil. Blend that in for about a minute or so. We are using 3 pounds of drumsticks. Pour the marinade over the chicken. Go ahead and rub the marinade all over the chicken. Add in fresh ground black pepper to taste. Toss that in. Now, refrigerate for 4 hours or overnight. Do you know how many chickens are consumed in the United States per year? Please let me know in the comment box down below. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. We are placing the chicken onto a baking rack. The rack is going to help the chicken cook more evenly. We are baking at 375 for about 1 hour. While the chicken is baking, let's go ahead and make our own barbecue sauce. Using a non-stick pan, over low heat, add in 1 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of honey, and we're cooking for about a minute or so. The barbecue sauce is ready. This is the consistency that you want. It looks great and smells amazing. 55 minutes into the baking process, get the chicken out the oven. Now brush the barbecue sauce on each piece. Now set your oven to broil, and we're going to broil for about 5 minutes. Definitely 3 to 5 minutes, but not more than 5. I just want to let the barbecue sauce get thick and glazed and even char. And if everything goes according to plan, you're going to end up with chicken that looks like this. You know what time it is. It is serving time. You may garnish with some fresh cilantro. Let's give it a try. This is a delicious barbecue chicken leg. It has a shine, the sauce has set, it's thick and it's so delicious. Hey, I see you over there eyeballing my pot of rice with noodles. Don't look at the rice. It's not about the rice today. Today is all about the chicken. All about the chicken. And there you guys have it. Easy oven baked barbecue chicken. Enjoy. Buen provecho. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below. Give it a thumbs up. And YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.